My name is Goudreault. I am a recovering engineer. I did almost 30 years in IT. 20 of that was operations, and 10 of that was as a security threat researcher. And I work for Gigamon, and Gigamon has a telemetry solution that observes data in motion, and we feed that to Elastic, and then analyzing that data in motion is where a lot of risk and governance solutions come from. So the integration that we have with Elastic is we are a source of telemetry, and we generate that telemetry from the data in motion. Now, we need Elastic because we don't store that information. We don't alert on that information. That's what Elastic's for. Also, Elastic can bring in other siloed information. And the objectives that we can help solve for is usually around risk and governance. Where is it slow? And looking or observing at the protocol behavior, we can find security problems as well, because threat actors are using low maturity network traversal to get through the network, and classic logging is missing that. And that's something we can help detect. But again, we need Elastic to help surface that. And using generative AI, we can ask it that. So it can help. It's a force multiplier for any kind of operations person, because before it was a very manual process to go through all these siloed data sets and try to piece it together. Well, now generative AI can do that with a couple questions if you prompt it the right way. I provide a unique dimension of telemetry that's generally not available. And what I've discovered is you don't really have to train AI on it. The RFCs for networking and communication protocols are well understood. They're 20 to 40 years old at this point. So when I ask an AI to analyze data in motion based on that, it comes back with some fairly good results that you can implement, and that highlights or it surfaces risk problems or performance problems. Again, the classic, where is it slow? With our solution, our joint solution, we can find that really, really quick. And if the cloud is slow, go to lunch. There's nothing to do. Organizations will spend hundreds of engineering hours whenever there's a problem, only to realize that they don't know what the problem was. They just went away. There's a bit of when you speak truth to power, because the operations prevent people who are spending how many cycles to try to solve a problem, only for it to just magically go away. So having been a former operations person, I understand a lot of the problems they run into. So when I saw the telemetry, I immediately understood that I can solve a lot of problems. And a lot of those around mean time to resolution. You get a lot of application is slow tickets, and those are difficult to resolve because you have to pivot into different siloed data sets, and not everybody necessarily understands or speaks the same language, right? So I can use generative AI to help analyze that data, and I did that recently with Elastic, and we found that some of the workloads were oversubscribed, but it manifested itself as slow communications. Well, everything's the network's fault until you prove otherwise. And while it may have been detected there, we were able to pivot into different siloed data sets and solve that problem. And that's cost. When you have slow workloads, that's cost, right? That's poor user experience. You're not doing all the sales or all the transactions you need. And there's also a governance aspect to that, right? Some of the new HIPAA 2025 proposed solutions are that your workloads, your medical IoT has to perform, right? Because if it can't perform reasonably well, that's now patient care affecting. And it's not the right tool. Well, I happen to have a telemetry solution that can really solve that and plug that gap. Elastic is absolutely pivotal to that because, again, I'm a source of telemetry. I can't store it anywhere. I don't alert on it. So Elastic is absolutely critical. So Elastic has really leaned in to the solution, and my experience with Elastic has been very positive. They see the value of what we offer. But one of the biggest use cases was around risk and governance frameworks. I know Elastic is big on zero trust. Observing the data that we bring, it helps map that out, right? You can't protect what you can't see. And there's a lot of things that go unseen on the networks, particularly around IoT, right? Anything you can't put an agent on is vulnerable. What's that printer in the corner doing? It's got an operating system, it's got disk space, it records everything that you copy. That's where the bad guys like to live. Elastic is the data store for all of that. I have a single dimension of telemetry that I create, the data in motion, but Elastic has all the other dimensionality. It has the endpoint information, it has the user information, it has the identity information. I'm providing a gap in the stack that currently no one else can solve for, and Elastic has all the other pieces to it. They have the resolve it now, take action button. That's where we have a much better together story.